everybody, so I am here today. This is Jay Jackson and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to be fixing our main bathroom floor because there are just some situations going on that just need to be fixed. Now, this is not originally my idea. This idea, I will insert the information in the description box and a video because I got this from one of the young ladies on YouTube, so I cannot take credit for this, but I thought it was a wonderful idea since she also rents. And so once I saw her video, I was like, aha, yes. So I will, like I said, link her information in the description box as well as show you a clip right here. Be sure to check out Waynaworld to let you see how she ended up doing her floors. And you can watch her video and maybe even subscribe to her channel as well as before you subscribe to my channel. But I thank you for joining me today, and let's get started with the video. Okay, for this project you will need the X-Acto knives, some poster board. I have 4 here, double-sided tape, and of course the self-stick vinyl tiles. This is the color that I ended up choosing in the tile. Toilet here, so we will see what else I have to do. And as you can see, let me turn the camera around here, and as you see right here, the same thing, I was able to create you know, a quick little pattern here as well. That's a problem spot right there. I'll have to try and fix that the best way that I can, going around the perimeter of the toilet, so we'll see what happens. Now I'm getting ready to try and peel and stick and see what happens, and I'll show you guys the end result. You guys, so this right here, I did have some difficulty around the edges right there, and the perimeter of the sink, of course, and back over here as well, as you can see. And you see that spot right there, I still haven't gotten a chance to cover that as of yet, but it's looking good for the most part. And then I haven't gotten a chance to finish just that spot right there. But for my first time, and it was kind of challenging, of course, around, it was kind of challenging around here where you see this, the toilet. I was getting ready to say the sink as well. So for the most part, those were my most challenging spots around the back part or the circumference of the toilet and over here by the door, because you have the dip right there and you have a dip right there. So very challenging, but it took a day or so with breaks in between, long breaks, because sometimes it was the heat was the heat was giving me issues at times. So there were times when I would stop and I would start back up again and take breaks from eating and, everyday life. So